Okay, so what we have here is a 2011 Chevy Malibu. We about to change this light for you. Are you having any problems with your blinker not working, your brake light not working? I'm gonna show y'all a quick and easy way to get it fixed. It's a real simple job anyway. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. You notice that light's on right there. That light's not. Turn on your signal going left. See that? Now turn on the signal going right. Nothing. I'm gonna show y'all a quick and easy way to get this done. It's simple, man. You in here, got a lock. It's tucked off in back of all this. Don't worry about it. We gonna get it. First thing we gotta do is pop this off. Let's see. Let me get that out the way. You see? There we go. These screw right on off. Then we get right in back of here. Let me show you. Can you see? Let me see if you can see. You see this right here? You got 3 of these. Take them off. Real simple. Don't trip, I'm still here for you. Just getting these out. Look, like I was saying, you see? We got one more in there. Bam. Just my hands and stuff. Pops right out. This is the bulb you're gonna need. 3157. You see that? Try your hardest not to touch the bulb. Fingerprints and oils mess it up. See, screw right on off. Oh, perfect. Little glove. What you're trying to avoid is the oils from your hands and the fingerprints on the bulb. And they give you 2 bulbs when you buy them. So one on we just gonna hold in case that one, the other one go out. Okay, there we go. Just put it right back on in, screw it. See, simple as ever. Whole job done, less than 5 minutes. And you screw these back on and you good to go. We're gonna screw that one on for now so I can show y'all. Let's see if it's working now. All right, bam, there we go. We got a light. Hit your signal. There we go, we got a signal. Quick and easy job, less than 5 minutes. You see that? Get at me, man. Get the job done. Thank you for watching.